In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Revolut Card Abroad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Revolut supports full usage of your card abroad, so you will be able to do currency exchange directly through Revolut itself. All that you have to do to use your Revolut Card Abroad is first check the card activation. Ensure that your Revolut card is activated for international use. If this is not set up properly, you can activate it through the Revolut app. So tap on your card, and when you go over to these settings, you will be able to find international use. Make sure that it is enabled. Once this is done, the next thing to check is to choose the right currency. Before traveling, you can order physical cards in multiple currencies or use the in-app currency exchange feature to convert your funds to the desired currency. This is something that Revolut will do on its own with the competitive exchange rates that they have. And when abroad, you just have to use your Revolut card like any other debit card for purchases and ATM withdrawals. The exchange rates, like I mentioned, are going to be done automatically through Revolut. So even though you can do the exchange before you travel, this isn't mandatory. As long as you are using the card and it is enabled for international use, you will be good to go. Revolut typically does not charge foreign transaction fees. However, some ATMs or merchants might impose their own fees, so keep all of that in mind. When withdrawing cash from ATMs, be aware of fees included by the actual ATM operator, and using a Revolut card for online purchases is going to work just like you would from home, so you don't have to worry about doing currency exchange. If you need to exchange currencies while abroad for whatever reason, you can tap on the currency from the home screen and you will be able to exchange it there as well. Revolut will show how much is going to be exchanged, and you will be able to repeat this process as needed. But actually using the card is as simple as using it normally, so you can swipe the card in store, contactlessly, or you can input the details online for online payments. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Revolut Card abroad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.